First and foremost, my hair is in these two-strand twists. I'm just calling them two-strand twist extensions because they look like just a two-strand twist. Oop, sorry. They look like a two-strand twist, you know, if you're familiar with natural hair. Looks like a two-strand twist. The ends are curly and all that jazz, okay? So, I don't know why on Instagram when people have this hairstyle or style similar to this, they never want to tell people the hair that they purchased. They never want to tell people the technique that they've used. They're very secretive about it. I guess it's because, you know, they want you to come to them and get your hair done by them, but I'm not knocking anybody's hustle. But I just feel like people are going to come to you because there's some people who are just not going to do their own hair, you know? So it's like you don't have to be so secretive like you're guarding the secrets of eternal youth or something. But anyway, but this is the hair. It's crochet hair. This is not Marley hair. I mean, of course, if you're familiar, this is not Marley hair. This is not kinky bulk hair. This is crochet hair because you see it's got like a little loop. And it has like a little band. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a band right there. And what I normally do, or what I have to do, is I have to cut the band off. And then I use 2 pieces of this hair. Well, no, actually I use 4 pieces of this hair to do the twist. So this is the hair I use. I use 2.5 packs because I've got some color, you see. So I use 2.5 packs. And, yeah, I haven't bought any additional hair since I bought the hair originally. Haven't had to because what I do is when I take my twist down, I remove any buildup that's on the twist and then I reinstall the same hair right back to my head. So this is what the hair looks like. To get this same look or to get a similar look, you can buy bomb twist hair, you can buy spring twist hair, you can buy mambo hair, any hair that's like a very, that looks similar to this, or a very curly, like, you know, the hair's even more close together like that. But the biggest thing is to prep this hair, what I do is I, you know, kind of run my fingers through it to make it, to loosen up some of the tightness. So it looks a little more kinky, okay? So when I install it, you know, I don't install it looking like this. It looks, you know, I've manipulated it to look more kinky. And that's why I like this hair. The reason why I decided to buy the hair that I did instead of getting like Marley twist hair or kinky bolt twist hair is, one, that hair is a little more coarse, and I wanted hair that would curl on its own, that I didn't have to dip, that I didn't have to, you know, with Marley hair, for you to get the hair to curl on the end, you have to seal the end with water, you have to put curlers on the hair. I didn't have to do all that. And then I didn't want a hair that was as coarse as it was. I wanted a hair that was a little more close to my hair texture, which my hair texture is like 3C4A. So I really wanted to get a curl pattern that would match my curl pattern so that it would look like a 2-strand twist. I didn't want it to look like a Havana twist or a Senegalese twist, or I want it to look like if I 2-strand twist my natural hair just longer. That's what I want it to look like. So there it is. Let me see. I try to look and see which ones I think need to be retouched. I just kind of randomly work with one. Okay, so here's one. This will be easier for me to do because this is one where I can actually see. So, and this is perfect. You can see how I take the twist down. So what I do is I just start at the bottom and I twirl the hair in the opposite direction so that it starts to, the twist starts to loosen up. And then I just kind of I find a place on the twist to start to separate. At least I'm trying to find one. There we go. And I just start to separate the hair. And then I really just unravel it. And like I said, sometimes it's the hair gets a little tangled, but I make it work. There we go. So then I just unravel it. Okay, so that's where I added the color. So there you see that. So that piece of hair is out. I just lay that off to the side. And then I unravel, keep unraveling. And there's the extension here, and I just kind of slide it on off. Okay? So then what I do is I lightly and carefully separate my hair. This is to help free up any shed hair and all that. I'm going to spray it Put my spray bottle. And then I'll work that water. Like I said, it's water and it's oils. Work that through my hair. This has helped to remove buildup. Helps remove buildup. It helps put some moisture into my hair. And then at this point, I'm going to take my Cantu and make sure I get it on here from root to tip. I keep contemplating, do I want to make these smaller? And every time I think about it, I'm like, nah. I like the way they look. And I know smaller, when it comes time to retouch them, it'll just be more work. And this is manageable, the way that it is now. So anyway, so I'm going to show y'all again. So now my hair is moisturized. Got the leave-in conditioner on it. It's good to go. So I'm going to take this hair. Well, first, I'm going to split my hair and get the two pieces. I'm going to take this first piece and put it in the middle. My right hand, actually twisting down. Sorry, y'all. And hold on, there's a piece of hair trying to get into this that doesn't belong. Anyways, I'm twisting down. Other side, I'm twisting up. It's important that when you twist it, you don't let the coil unravel, because that's what's going to help keep it tight, but not too tight at the root. And then you cross it over, and you start doing a 2-strand twist. I have to add a second piece of hair. And that's fine, because I wanted my twist to be long anyhow, so. I haven't had any of these twists unravel, slide out, nothing. Hasn't happened. So I've been putting them in, I guess, pretty good, because they've been staying.